Hello my bucket list buddies, welcome to another episode of my bucket list day. So today's episode is one you've all been asking for, or many of you anyway. You wanted to see or get a tour of the inside of my rig. Well, all the upgrades, all the remodeling, all the stuff I've been doing to it is done. Well, I don't know if it's ever done, but it's done for now. So now I'm going to give you a tour of what I've done and how the rig looks today. This may change again once I do more upgrades. But before we get into that, let's watch this intro and I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. So, today we're going to get a tour of the rig and all the upgrades that I've done to it. But before we get into that, I do have a bone to pick with some government officials. And no, we're not going to get into politics here. I just was traveling through a few states, and while all the people I met in these states were wonderful people and very kind and gracious, Highway 20 through Alabama, Mississippi, and Louisiana, oh my God, could they be any rougher? You know, I heard Highway 10 was bad, but I think we need to say Highway 10 and Highway 20 is probably just as bad. When I got here to Texas, I was like, hallelujah. The roads were actually very smooth and, you know, sure there's a little rut here and there, but it's not shaking you to death. Those three states, when I was going across them, when I got here, or stopped, I should say, I had molding on the floor that shook off. I had a cabinet door come off. I had drawers that had flown open, and two of them, pardon me, had come off all the way and onto the floor. And the wheels that roll back and forth inside the drawers, those are all broken. Let's see, what else did we have? Oh, and suspension-wise, on my driver's side, I've got a bracket underneath on my center axle that has bent from all of that abuse. I mean, when I say potholes, that's an understatement. I mean, they were like massive speed bumps. If you had expansion cracks that were maybe misaligned because of some heaving through the seasons, they threw blacktop on top of it. And it made a huge bump. I mean, I saw 18-wheelers that were in front of me. The wheels were leaving the ground as they were going over these potholes and these so-called repairs. So, you city officials and county and state officials that are in charge of repairing these roads, come on. Let's do a better job, eh? So, enough of that. Let's get into the tour of this rig. So this will be a short video, but you've all been asking for it, so it's time to do it. Perfect cue. AC just kicked on. Here we are going up into the living room. And right away you notice the footballs. These footballs represent all the Super Bowls that I've been to. So yes, I've been to 5 of them. As you see, they're autographed. Got Joe Theismann. All of the 96 Packers signed that one. Got Joe Montana right there. Over there I've got Brett Favre and a couple other players. Dan Deerdorf up there on that one. So I've got various autographs from all the Super Bowls I've been to. Plan to go to some more. Over on this side, it's got the standard sofa that came with it. It's a sleeper sofa, queen size. And just a few pillows on that. And then here are the theater chairs. They recline, light up, and have a massager, heater in there, which honestly don't use those at all. And then over here you see the desk. And the desk so far, if you saw the other episode, is working out great. I took the sofa out of here and installed this desk. You can tell the floor, I'm still waiting on the linoleum to come in to match the floor in the living room. But that's still coming. Nice big work area. The monitors are working out. Curved monitors, they're actually very cool. So other than that, it's pretty stock. My TV is down underneath this pop-up right here. Then of course the fireplace. I guess I should have turned that on for effect. Okay, here comes the effect. Voila. The heater actually works pretty well in there, so when I'm up here and it's a little chilly out, turn that on and don't need the heater for the rest of the unit. And that's the living room. Oh, one more thing. You notice the fan circulating up there? That helps out a lot in circulating all the air throughout the unit. And that light and that little plant, by the way, they stay there full time. They don't move. Even while traveling, they're just stuck down there with a little carpet tape, two-sided carpet tape, along with the little Alexa dot. And there's another light right here. And by the way, all these monitors and everything, keyboard, this all stays while traveling. The monitors are mounted down to the desk here. You see a little bracket I put across both of them. And then there's a screw in the middle that goes all the way through, and it's just kind of a clamp and holds the monitor exactly in place. So they never move. Got my tablet there as well. So now let's go check out the kitchen. It's the kitchen. Haven't really done any upgrades here. The only thing you'll notice is only 2 chairs here. Normally 4. I just felt it was too crowded. So I took 2 chairs out and threw them in my storage unit, actually, where the sofa is that I pulled out. It's turning into a nice day. It was raining earlier, pretty much all day, in the campground here in eastern Texas, on the lake. This campground, by the way, has 0 cell service, so I'll be moving tomorrow because I've got a lot of work to do and I need to have internet connection. So circling around in the kitchen here. And then here I have my Ninja that I make my fruit shakes in the morning. And then behind here, which was once a pantry, is now my washer and dryer. Keep everything on top there. So there's not a lot of food storage in here. I just use this cabinet here. But it's okay. It's adequate for me. I'm just one person. Storage I have up here is just the overflow of my bulk stuff. You can kind of get an idea what's all back up in there. Then there is a full-size residential fridge. Just went grocery shopping the other day, so I am completely full. And then here I've got just dishes and everything in here. Full-size microwave and the gas Insignia stove and oven. But this is what I use the most. My Ninja Foodie. Guys, if you've never used one of these things, highly recommend it. You can have frozen food, just throw it in there. It comes out, it's done. It's perfect. Put it in there, season it. It's awesome. You can do vegetables in here, meats in here. It's an air fryer, it's a crisper, it's a dryer, it's a grill. It's all, everything in one. So I pretty much make all my meals right in this guy. And of course I've got the toaster. Now all these appliances that you've seen here, even the paper towel holder, they all stay where they are while traveling. I don't have to move anything. So that works out perfect. So really, again, haven't done anything. Now we'll go up to the bathroom. So in the bathroom, again, I haven't done much here. Just put a couple of command hooks on the door, shower door that is, to hold towels. I did install a hoop towel holder there for the hand towel. Oh, I did put some shelves in there, if you can see that. And another one here, and I put the toilet paper on the back of the door. But shelves give me a little extra room. In the shower, I did install the little soap dispenser there, and another command strip for the squeegee for the doors, and another one there for the shower stuff. It is the original shower head. It works okay. I know everybody's talking about those zero shower heads, and I might try that. But as you see, there's two entrances to the bedroom, from there or through here. And one thing I'm excited about is, as you noticed, you can walk down this side of the bed now. Used to be a king, is now a queen, and I know I've already gotten comments when I did this upgrade, or this change. Everybody's saying, why would you go down to a queen? Well, it's just me, and occasional guest. Works out perfect, and I like to be able to walk all the way around the bed to make it. So, and then in here I haven't really done much, except in this closet I've added all these shelves for the shoes, my hats, and then the laundry baskets go down there. And that's about it. Oh, back there, I gotta show you this. See that clock back there? Well, when you're lying in bed, it's up on the shelf, it's hard to see it. So I'm turning this off so you can see this. I'll get on this side of the bed. But it projects on the wall. Maybe I should close the shade so you can see this a little better. But you can see not only the inside temperature, outside temperature, but also the time. Pretty cool. And the sensor for outside temperature is out on my hitch pin or king pin up front, outside. And that is the grand tour of the coach. I do have to make a comment. This little LCI thing to control everything, it's garbage. It takes forever to change screens. The latency is horrible. So I use my phone. It's a little faster, but that app they have is garbage as well. Excuse me, I've got a dish in the sink from this morning. I haven't done that, washed that up yet. Anyway, that is the tour of the entire coach. Hope you enjoyed this. Wow, it's really turning out to be a nice day. I might have to go out for a bike ride now, even though it's going to be very muddy. Well, that's the tour of this rig. Hope you enjoyed that. Please leave comments below of anything you liked or have questions about any of the shelving or upgrades that I've done to the unit. I haven't done a lot internally, but except for the desk. The desk was a big deal. But leave your comments. So now we're going to play the Patriot games. So again, everyone, we are in season 2, and this is episode 3. So when you enter your answer in the contest page, put 2.3. Now somebody has, or a couple of you have reached out to me and said that didn't work last time, and you are correct. I figured out what the problem was, and now everything is working fine. So I apologize for that. I did correct your entries, so don't worry about that. You didn't lose your entry. So take a look at this video and tell me where you think it is. guys think you know where that's at? Go ahead and click on the link below that says mybucketlistday.com/contest and enter your answer where you think this is. So I appreciate you all watching, and I also appreciate all of you that have subscribed. And for those of you who haven't, please click that like button, that subscribe button, and the little bell right there, and that'll let you know each time I release a video. And don't forget, I release a video every Wednesday and every Sunday. Thank you again for watching, and make it a great day.